Let's go back to show the data. There are surface winds of the west. Here are jet streams of the west. Here are jet streams of the east. Here are surface winds of the east. And here are hurricane force winds making landfall at western India. There you go, 80 miles per hour for that. Next, looking at lightning, and we see quite a lot of lightning around North America right now. Southern Mexico especially, but also some storms in the central U.S. as there is an atmospheric river formed. We'll show you that momentarily. And if you're in Topeka or Kansas City, if you're in Kansas City, look to your southwest. You may see some interesting phenomenon occurring above these thunderheads, as there is some very energetic lightning going on. And if you're in Topeka, look to your south. And if you're in Emporia, there's thunder rolling in. It's a real-time lightning map, lightningmaps.org. Lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzachtung.org. And check out all the lightning here, a long line of lightning all the way from Nebraska to southern Mexico. The most intense is at southern Mexico. This is your NASA GOES lightning mapper. And we'll show you what's going on with that in a little more depth. First, we're going to do a temperature forecast. I thought we were going to do a temperature forecast. All right, so here's the current temperature situation, and we're going to advance this into tomorrow. This is the forecast by Copernicus, I guess. Okay. That's 12 noon tomorrow, 12 noon Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow. For temperature, as reported by windy.com. We're also expecting some flooding here in East Texas. So this is the forecast model from Tropical Tidbits for total accumulated precipitation through Friday. And you can see they're forecasting like 20 inches of rain there in East Texas and southeastern Oklahoma. Let's hope that forecast changes, as that would be, let's just say, unhealthful for all kinds of various different phenomenon. I'll just rock this back to show you how this is forecasted to play out currently. So some major flooding forecasted there later in the week, especially Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Some persistent rains forecasted for that area. And keep in mind that forecast is way out. A 3-day forecast is much more accurate than a 5-day forecast like that. And here's what's going on in the current situation for the U.S. Doppler radar. Strong storms across Kansas and Nebraska. Very strong storms there across Kansas, especially. We're hoping nobody ends up in Oz as a result of those. Keep in mind, folks, the most dangerous part of a severe thunderstorm in the northern hemisphere is the northwest corner of the storm. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer, and you can see that atmospheric river stretching all the way from Mexico to South Dakota, actually. And here's the water vapor map. This should help clarify things. And the jet stream, what's happening here, folks, is the jet stream is way over here. And it's not really helping to drive this system much at all. It's creating a weak low pressure system behind the jet stream there, the leading edge. And that's why this atmospheric river is taking its good old time moving to the east. This dry mass of air is not providing much of an impulse either, although it isn't colliding much, as the air ahead of it isn't all that dry. So again, there's the U.S. Doppler radar map. Here's the cloud layer. And there is the water vapor map. And it's time to say goodbye to Twitch again. We'll complete our daily space weather video with our bonus features. So make sure you check it out, Twitch viewers, at youtube.com/smAshomash.